Hello, good day everyone. Thank you for looking at my channel. Today will be a very short segment on animal spirits, in particular birds and cats. Now, before I start, birds are representatives of angels on lower dimensions. Now, they are actually connected to these beings that exist on high dimensions. So, when you're working with them, you are grounding yourself in nature, and you are actually preparing yourself to connect to angelic beings on high dimensions. Now, angels, birds, have a very powerful function. They have the ability to shift energy. So, if you look at them with bird spirits, or you have them in your totem, anything like that, you can use them to shift negative energy from around you. Birds are also very, very powerful protection. So if you have a bird spirit, you like an eagle or a hawk, you can use that bird and you can shift the energy that comes to you that is negative. So people who may be using negative magic against you, you can use the air element that can do it, because air carries energy. So if you understand the elements, you can use the air, shift the energy, steer it around from you, and it will protect you. Now, cat spirits are animals that are basically grounded in earth and fire, and they are chosen to be the representatives of fire elements, in particular by the fire elementals. Now, if you do not know what the fire elementals are, the elementals are basically beings that are existing in each and every element. They are living forces that you can see spirits in a sense, but they're really interdimensional beings, that live in every element. So you have water elementals, you have fire elementals, you have earth elementals, and so on. These elementals have various functions, and we'll learn to work with them in the future, or if you need to work with them from learning to work with animal spirits, you can learn to connect even more with nature and learn their function as well. Cat spirits and having physical cats in your home, and also birds as well, these energies can work as very, very powerful protections. Now, having cats being fire and earth, cats can help you ground out the negative energy, because the earth element is very, very powerful, very, very defensive. It can block out negative energy that comes to you. So you can think of it as having your own magical tree that roots is connected to nature and the earth itself. So when the negative energy comes towards you, you ground out this energy, it cannot penetrate any kind of barriers you have. Now, combining this with your other defenses, such as your shielding, if you are experienced with your occult, you can use sigils, whatever you choose. Combine that with your defenses, and you can find that it is very, very effective, even against people who use negative energies towards you. Combining that with a simple bowl of water, asking water to protect you, it can be a very, very formidable defense, because water is an element that makes it very, very hard to handle. It takes shape of every situation you have. So the opponents will have to work very, very hard at handling you, because they cannot lock in to one specific frequency. So this is my video. Thank you for watching.